Have you been running ads and not see results? So don't worry. In this video, I'll show you guys how I did it. You can see on my screen right now. You see the amount that I paid for this advert, and I get up to like 200 plus persons in my DM, which is 74 naira per messaging conversion rate. And if I leave this ad, it will still come down to like 50 naira or 30 naira. Okay, so because when you start ads, the money will first of all increase before people are clicking on your ad. So after 2 days, 3 days, the money will drop down. But if your ad is, you have good creative about your ad, that's why the money will come down. Okay, because this ad, when I started this ad, it's around 120 naira in the first 2 to 3 hours that I start this ad, and after one day, this ad come down and it keeps coming down. Okay, so what I want to show you guys is how I did this and I get massive result from this advert. So what you need to know is that for you to start with Facebook, you need to learn how to do it so that you don't get disabled or get banned with your account, right? So what you need to do is, the first thing, you need to have money in your account. Okay, so just put your mind at rest about disable or anything. You have me here, which I will show you step by step, guys, on what you need to do for you not to get banned or disabled on your account, so that you don't lose your money on Facebook. And I know, so there is a lot of people who have paid someone or anybody to run hard for them, and they doesn't get a result for about the money they pay. Right. So in this video, I'll show you how to do it by yourself. So the app that I'm using right now for a newbie, just on my screen right here, you see the app. Go to your Play Store or your Apple Store to download this app, and let's move into how to run massive ads in few minutes. Okay, what I need to do right now is to click on the setting icon at the top left corner, and you see right here on my screen, you say billing and payment, because you need to have money in your account first. So what you need to do is that you go to your ad funds. Please don't use the ad payment method, okay? So that because when you want to add payment on your Facebook and you did it the first time, the second time, and the money doesn't drop into your account, maybe you are getting error or unsuccessful transaction, Facebook may disable your account. They may think you are trying to log in into someone's account or using other person's account to deposit this Facebook. Okay, so what you need to do is to go to the hard fund right here. So on the hard fund, if you are in Nigeria, I would prefer you to use the Naira payment with MasterCard and Visa card right here, the one that at the down here. Okay, or you can use the pay by bank transfer, or USSD if you are in Nigeria. Okay, but if you are in other country, I don't know how it works there, but I think the pay you will be available for you guys to, or use the debit or credit card. Okay, so just be careful when you are doing this. Make sure the transaction was successful at first time you did it. Right, so what I want to show you guys right now is that, let's say, imagine you want to deposit 10,000 naira right into this account. So I just input 10,000 naira, then I choose the Naira payment with MasterCard and Visa card because I'm currently in Nigeria right now. So all what I need to do is to click on the next. So if I click on the next, it will take me to the website where I will input my ATM card and every other things. So I verify it and come back to the Facebook. So the money will be dropped into this account. So I don't want the video to be long, so that's why I don't click on it right now. So you see it's processing because I click on it. Right. So I don't want these videos to be long, and I will do it special for you on how to make deposit on for your Facebook ad. Alright guys, so once you have make a deposit into this account, so what you need to know is that if you come down here and see on my house right now, say I spend up to like 16,910 naira. It's going to up to like 17,000. I get 227 people right here. So imagine I have a conversion rate of 30% conversion rate. Know how much I'll be making if I'm selling high ticket product. So what you need to know is that for you to get started, once you have make a deposit, you have to click on the plus icon at the top right corner right here. I click on the top on the plus icon. So what you need to choose is that you see a lot of things are here: engagement, awareness, traffic, leads, sales, and app promotions. So it depends on what you are doing. And okay, if you are someone that is selling maybe like clothes or shoe or any other stores, you have to choose this engagement. Okay, let's go with engagement. But for traffic, I know a lot of people choose traffic. That's why you're not getting results. Okay, when you are dealing with traffic, Facebook is so used to it's just so used to anyhow people. Okay, anyhow people. But when it comes to engagement, alright, it is so used to people that will message you, that like to click on hearts to message, right? So you have someone that will like your hearts and message you direct, so that when you are using the traffic you may not get good results. But the one that is good most is either you use leads or engagement. But I will not prefer leads for you if you are just getting started. So just click on the engagement, right? I click on the engagement and you can see there is get post engagement, get messaging engagement, and if you come down you see manual create. Okay, you can choose the manual create, right? So you create it from scratch. Okay, so you create this from scratch. So what I need to do right now is that you see on my screen, let it load and see what it shows me right now. So it tells me to enter the campaign details right here, and campaign's name. You can change the name, right? You can change the name. I see you can change the name. Let me change the name to new engagement, right? So just click on the arrow to go back. So right now, do you see special hard category? You just leave that one, and if you come to the budget, for you, if you are in Nigeria and you are using Naira payment, just started with 2,000 Naira for a minimum. You can start with 2,000 Naira for a minimum. But for now, dollar is really high, so just started with 3,000 Naira per day. If you are just started, so I just need to go back, click on the arrow, then you click on the next. And if you come here, you see the ad set name for you to know the one that you are using. Okay, so that you know the ads that are working for you. Just come back right here and input the asset name. Let me input my name right here. Let me input my name right here right now. So just go back so I will know the ads that are working for me very well. So come down and you see here you say conversions, messaging destinations, right? So in this case you have to use your WhatsApp for you to get massive result from this thing, so that whenever someone click on your ads, it comes to your WhatsApp direct. But how will you connect your WhatsApp to this account right here? So in my next video, or if you want me to drop a video on how to connect WhatsApp, just write, go to the comment section and type in your question, so I will know what to do next. And what you see on my screen right here is that I choose the message destinations. Alright, so leave the WhatsApp, leave the Facebook page, just choose the message destination. Right, so if you come down, you see the messenger WhatsApp business, just cancel the messenger, right, and cancel the Instagram, just leave the WhatsApp business, so that whenever someone click on the ads, they come to your WhatsApp direct. And if you come to the schedule, right, if you don't want the advert to start immediately, just come down here. Let's say I want the ads to start tomorrow, right? Okay, you need to change. Let's see what they say. Start time can't be changed because the current start time is within 15 minutes. It can't be changed here. So adjust this media native duplicate. Okay, so what Facebook is trying to do now is that they want me to run this ad first and duplicate the ad so that I can reschedule the duplicate ads, right? So I will just leave this one right now. So once I'm done with this ad will start immediately that I done with this ad right now. So let's just move into the audience, right? So it depends on what you are selling and what you are promoting, right? So if you see the first one is locations, which you can choose the location that you want. Is either Nigeria, South Africa, America, United States, United Kingdom, and any other country, right? And if you want to choose specific state, or you want to remove some states in your ads, you can do it too. Like you come to the, if you want to include your other country or state, you just go to the edit in the include locations, right? So right now, click on the edit right now, and you can see I will just search for, let's say, United States. I say, okay, United Kingdom first. I click on the United Kingdom and I click on the arrow of the confirm, and you see that United Kingdom have been added to this. And if you want to remove some country or state from this country right now. So we just come to the exclude these locations. I click on this and you search for the location that I want to remove. Let's say I'm in Nigeria right now and I want to remove, let's say I want to remove Ogun State. Yeah, and I search for it and you see it gives me some state, and okay, this is Imo State of Nigeria. So I just click on it. So everybody that based in Imo State will not see this ad right now. This is how it works, and you can come down and see the details category, like include your demography in interest and behavior. If you want to choose how people, those people that you want to be seeing your ads, right, so you edit this one, and this is really working, but I will not do that in this video. I don't want it to be long. It's this video is already long, right? So in my next video I do it, but if you want me to drop the video fast, go to the comment sections and let me know. So for the age, you need to choose, let's say you are selling something that people around 24 will be the buyer to buy this, so you need to increase the age to the 24. And if you are selling something that okay, 18 people, 18 age can buy the product, then you leave it here. And the maximum age, I think the maximum age based on what you wanted to sell, okay, and the genders too. All right, so let's go back and shows you how you start and create ad with this. So in the placement, just leave it in the Advantage Plus placements. Okay, so you click on the next. This is the last steps. Okay, so you see ads name, you can change the ads name, and ad setup. Let me just click on the ad setup right now. So I click on the ad setup and you see that it says I click on the create ads. So I want to use new ads right here. Okay, so I click on the new ads, and if you come down you see the format. It says single image or video, and then they have carousel. Okay, when it comes to single video or image, you use only one image or one video, or when you come to carousel you use multiple image or multiple video, right? So I will just go back and leave it in a single image or video. So I will now come back, I will now come down to the ad creative. This is where you input every details about the ads that you want to do. So we are seeing on my screen, you see select image or video. When you want to run your ads and want to get massive results, you want to have good conversion rate, okay, what you need to do is to use video, right? So you use video, and if you come down you see that there is add media right here. So I click on the add media because I want to add the video that I wanted to use. All right, so I will just use this one right now for the example of this video. So I've clicked on this, I have add the video, and if you come down to see the headline, right, you see the headline, like I will just say I'll just write over 200 plus students have been, sorry, yeah, been benefited, have been benefit. So just come right here and input it, like join the live training now. It can be a long test. So in the primary test can be a long test, alright. So I'm having system issue. So right now also I've choose the video, and in the headline you see what I put into, like join the ongoing training right now. So and you can come to the primary test, is where you write all the details about the video that you posted, that you promote, okay, and the details about what they'll be getting, so that for them to click on it. So you need to work on the video and this primary test so that I can get massive results. And once you have done that, just come down to the call to actions and you click on it, and you see that they have different call to action. So shop now, book now, learn more, sign up, apply now. And because we are using WhatsApp messages, okay, I need to use the WhatsApp. So I click on WhatsApp and I click on preview ads, and let's wait and see how these ads will look like when these ads started running. So if you can see my screen, you see this is how the ads will look like when it starts running, and you see the text right here, and you see they have contact and money with Diamond. Okay, so we click on the WhatsApp. So whenever someone click on this WhatsApp, they will come to your WhatsApp direct. This is how you run ads. But there's main thing about the demography and any other stuffs that I talk about. So if you want me to do a video on how to get a target audience, okay, good target audience, I don't want to show you guys in this video right now. So I don't want these videos to be long. So I will do a video for you guys on how to get your target audience to get massive results, like people that are interested in buying your product immediately they come into your WhatsApp. So once you have done that, just go to the arrow of ahead, then you click on the review. Once you have done that, you click on the review and see it says publish this video. So what I need to do is to click on the publish. Once I click on this publish, you see it takes me back to the home page, and these ads will be in review. Okay, so I just need to wait for up to like 1 hour for Facebook to review these ads and let it be active, right? So this is how to run Facebook ads. And if you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button and like and follow and share these videos to others so that they can benefit from this